Hey developers, welcome back. I'm Code Hero, and if you're building for iOS in 2026, you do not want to miss this. March has been absolutely packed. New tools, major releases, framework updates that are going to fundamentally change how you write and ship apps. Whether you're a seasoned Swift developer or just getting started, these are the things you need to know right now. Let's dive in. First up, Xcode 26.4 just hit the App Store. And here's the thing. Yes, it ships with Swift 6.3. But if you think this is just another SDK bump, you're missing the real story. The updates in this release go way deeper than version numbers suggest. So let me ask you this. What if your IDE wasn't just a text editor anymore? What if it was a partner in your development process? That's exactly what Apple built with Agentic coding. And this feature, this is the game changer we've been waiting for. Here's what happened. Apple built seamless integration directly into Xcode for both Anthropic's Claude Agent and OpenAI's Codex. One click to download either one. They update automatically. No manual installs, no config headaches. But it gets better. You're not locked into just those two. Xcode 26.4 supports the Model Context Protocol, an open standard. That means any MCP-compatible agent can integrate with your workflow. Your choice. Your control. But here's what makes this different from every other AI coding tool you've tried. These agents don't just generate code. They use Xcode's own tools to build, test, refine, and iterate, so you can stay focused on building features. Apple Developer. What used to be a back and forth between you, your IDE, and the model now happens automatically. Now, tools are great. But the real foundation of everything you build is the language itself. And that's where Swift 6.3 comes in. On March 24th, Swift 6.3 was officially released and production ready. And this release isn't just incremental. It includes some features that are going to fundamentally change how you approach iOS development. So let me talk about one feature that sounds super technical on the surface. But once you get it, you're going to understand why this matters. The AC attribute. Here's the thing about C. It's literally everywhere. The entire foundation of macOS and iOS, built on C. Every hardware driver your app touches, C. Those legacy frameworks that have been around since before Swift existed, also C. It's the language the entire tech world is built on. Before Swift 6.3, if you needed your Swift code to work with C, you were in for a rough time. Unsafe pointers, manual memory management, bugs that were impossible to track. It was painful. Now you just write your Swift function, add OC to it, and boom, C can see it and call it directly. That's it. Swift handles all the heavy lifting behind the scenes. Production-ready interoperability, no hacks, no workarounds. Swift 6.3 solidifies structured concurrency. Now let's talk about something that's going to transform your entire architecture. Structured concurrency in Swift 6.3. It's fully matured now, and the best way to explain why this matters is with a before and after. Remember completion handlers? Nested callbacks everywhere? You had to manually manage cancellation, deal with memory management issues, hope nothing leaked. Looked like this. Messy, hard to follow, easy to introduce bugs. Now in Swift 6.3, this. Clean, readable. And here's the part that changed everything. If your task gets canceled, Swift automatically cancels everything underneath it. No manual cleanup, no surprises, no memory leaks, same functionality, same result. But now your entire app architecture can be built on this with full confidence. That's what production maturity looks like. Okay, this next one. Imagine a real scenario. You have an iOS app, a watchOS app, and a widget. They all need to stay in sync. Same data, same state, updated in real time. Before Swift 6.3, this was a nightmare. You were manually writing notification observers, serializing data, managing XPC connections, and praying nothing got out of sync. It looked like this. Fragile, verbose, impossible to debug when things go wrong. Now with Swift 6.3, distributed actors are fully functional. That distributed keyword is doing all the heavy lifting. Whether you're using a central server or peer-to-peer connections, Swift handles real-time data updates and error tracking automatically. Location transparency means your code doesn't care if the actor is running locally or on another device. You just call it. Swift figures out the rest. This is the kind of feature that sounds academic until the moment you actually need it, and then you wonder how you ever shipped without it. Now for something that's going to blow some minds. The Swift SDK for Android is now officially general availability. Not a preview, not a community experiment, production ready. To get started, you need 3 things. 1. The open source Swift toolchain from swift.org. 2. The Swift SDK for Android. 3. The Android NDK for cross-compilation. That's it. Here's why this matters. Right now, you're probably maintaining 2 codebases, one in Swift, one in Kotlin. With this, your networking layer, your data models, your business logic, write it once in Swift, ship it on both platforms. Teams are already reporting 40 to 60% reductions in development overhead. That's not just saving time, that's fundamentally changing your business metrics. And here's the cherry on top. Over 25% of packages in the Swift package index already build for Android. The ecosystem is ready. The real question is, are you ready? All of this, Xcode 26.4, Agentic coding, Swift 6.3, distributed actors, Android support, this is production ready for real apps shipping today. We're not talking about beta features or experimental roadmaps. This is officially supported, actively used, and ensuring seamless integration across the entire Apple ecosystem. One important thing to know, save the dates. Apple just announced WWDC 2026, June 8-12, 2026. This is where you'll get a first look at the next generation of Apple tools, frameworks, and features. Video sessions hosted by Apple engineers and designers. Learn to elevate your apps and games. Mark your calendar now. Here's what you should do right now. Download Xcode 26.4 and start playing with Swift 6.3 today. Try Agentic coding, experiment with distributed actors, test Android support. These tools are officially released and production approved. The learning curve is real, but the time to invest is now, before everyone else figures this out. Agentic coding with proper architecture patterns changes everything. But here's what I want to know. What excites you most? Are you jumping into agentic coding? Experimenting with cross-platform Swift development? Building multi-device architecture with distributed actors? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. The best channel is built when developers actually talk to each other. If this content helped you, please subscribe. Seriously, it helps the channel continue growing and bringing you more deep dives on iOS architecture, concurrency patterns, and the tools that matter. Share this with your friends. Drop a comment about what you're building today. Are you ready for these updates? Do you want more deep dives on any of these topics? Let me know. I'm Code Hero. Build smarter, ship safer. See you in the next one. Peace.